The cringe gaming intros are simple in execution. They satirize a time when every single gaming YouTuber had a CGI opening coupled with dubstep or dance music. Due to the wide accessibility of free intro generators, it's no surprise that there was a glut of these invading general YouTube space in the mid-2010s. This also makes it easy for meme creators to parody the intros, considering the tools for them to do so are widely available. These clips became so generic, so commonplace that they were boring and predictable, despite being saddled with crazy music and trippy visuals. In order to satirize this, meme creators have gone the opposite route by changing the words in these intros to the most edgy content possible. It's not a new trend too, as is evidenced by OkPoopooYeah's upload on the 8th of January 2019. Shitbot420's rendition of the meme posted on the 29th of August 2019 would go on to popularize the format, however, and it would fade into relative obscurity until popping up again in 2021. That said, it could be argued that the concept of cringe gaming intros was precluded by the concept of cringe YouTube intros, which have long been curated into compilations. However, it's interesting that this meme trend has returned, considering the fact that it is relatively rare for YouTubers to use this type of intro nowadays. A good example of a famous YouTuber that used to have one of these was Ali A, whose intro got used for tons of memes in 2018. Another angle related to the appearance of obscenities or racial slurs taps into the idea of edgy gamers, the stereotype of someone who plays video games but hates minorities or women, or loves children in a way that is not legal. This stereotype is one that has pervaded many areas online and offline, which is why it is no surprise that it is being crossed with YouTube gamer intros. This all ties into the "we live in a society gamers rise up" memes that blew up a few years ago, demonstrating the fact that the idea has been circulating the internet for a while. Of course, whilst this is mostly done as satire considering gamers constitute primarily exceedingly lovely people, there does appear to be a loud few who unironically latch onto those ideals, perpetuating the negative stereotype. You know, the type of person who yells the N-word at T-Pain while he's streaming. Allegedly, this is the main reason the Gamers Rise Up subreddit got banned, because so many Redditors joined and started unironically repeating the awful shit. As such, it's important to speculate whether or not future gaming channels will have these intros, or whether gamers will continue to have negative stereotypes due to the actions of a few, coupled with demonized media presence from the 90s. Will future generations be able to understand why meme creators of this era made videos with the word "cum" blasting around a heavy CGI background? Essentially, cringe gaming intros make it clear that gaming remains a hugely popular pastime amongst millions of people, yet certain participants of it elicit specific feelings of hostility amongst meme creators and consumers of internet culture alike. What meme would you guys like me to give a lesson in next? Let me know in the comments below.
And remember, like and subscribe! Or else.